Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. So, in today's video, what I'm going to be showing you guys is one of the most beautiful equations in mathematics. So, what we're going to do for this equation is first, there's three terms involved in this equation. These terms you may know or you may not know, so I'll explain. So, the first term is pi. And if you guys don't know what pi is, it's 3.141592653 and so on and so forth. So pi is this value right here. And it's an irrational number, meaning it never ends. The decimals never end. They keep on going forever and forever. So we have pi here. And now I'm going to bring in another term. And this is the term e. And e is what's known as Euler's constant. And it's equal to 2.7182828459045. And what's interesting about this is notice how we have 1/8, then 2/8, then 1/8 again, and then 2/8 again, and then we have 4/5, 90, 4/5. So that's just another pattern inside of this term. But anyways, so we have these two irrational terms. And by the way, this is also goes on forever. It's an irrational term. So we have these two terms which seem to have a random combination of numbers. And then for our third term, what we have is the imaginary number I, which is equal to the square root of -1. And a lot of you watching this video might be thinking, the square root of -1, how is that even possible? Because how can you multiply two numbers and get the square root of a negative number? Well, that's why it's not a real number. It's known as an imaginary number. So it's not even a real number. But what's cool about this is that when we combine these three terms, we get a familiar term. So if, let's say we have e, and we take it to the power of pi times I, and then we add 1 to this is actually equal to 0. And this is why this is one of the most beautiful equations in math. It's because we have three random terms which seem to have a random combination of numbers, and then we put them together, they equal -1. And then when we add this to 1, it equals 0. And what this is known as, right here, this equation right here, is Euler's constant. And if you search this up right now, if you search up what is the most beautiful equation in math, this is likely to pop up. So, thank you guys for watching, and if you have an explanation as to why e to the power of pi I is equal to -1, please feel free to share. Thank you.